In this video tutorial, I'll show you how you can stream audio through two connected Bluetooth devices on your Samsung Galaxy A54 smartphone using the dual audio mode. Okay, this feature is not available on every Samsung phone out there, so this tutorial is only for the Galaxy A54. So I'll show you how to set it up and let's get started. In order to do this, first you'll want to make sure you connect two of your audio Bluetooth devices. And this can work for either a Bluetooth speaker, two Bluetooth speakers. They don't have to be the same brand. Same with earphones. They can be a Samsung product or an AirPods or any other wireless Bluetooth earphones. So I'll go ahead now and connect my Galaxy Buds here. And you can go ahead and do the same thing with your first device. So go ahead and connect it. You'll turn on your Bluetooth settings, connect your first device here. After you connect your first device, now go ahead and connect your second device. Again, this can work for any other wireless Bluetooth or speaker, Bluetooth speaker, okay? So you can come here and scan again, connect that other device. All right, you'll see the AirPods here for me. Say pairing, wait for that to connect. Now that you have your two Bluetooth devices connected, you should see that they're both in blue. Both of them have to be in this blue text, meaning that they're currently connected together at the same time. Now you can go ahead and put them in your ears or set them where you want to. The next step is to actually have both of them play audio at the same time. And to do this, you'll use the quick panel access, pull it down once or twice until you see that media output option right here, the one that says media output. You're going to look for that. And as you tap on that, it's going to take you into this here. You'll see this view mode here. And you'll notice that the last connected device is checked. It's highlighted and checked here. But you want to go ahead and check the first one too. Now that this is like this here, you can actually play audio through both earphones, okay? And I'll just show you a quick example. So now that we have our audio playing here, and I'm not sure if this song is allowed, so I won't get a copyright claim. So what I'm going to do is bring up the volume here, and you'll notice now there is two volume panels showing up here every time I bring it up. All right, so I'll do that again so you can see it here. Okay. And what this allows me to do is bring up the volume for one of my devices here, and it's going to tell you the name of which one I'm adjusting right now. So this one on the left is the AirPods volume. That allows me to adjust it from here. And the one on the right, as I'm adjusting it, you'll see the name of the device that I'm adjusting. So this one on the right is the Galaxy Buds, okay? And you can hear from both of them that there is audio coming out. You can test it out yourself. And like I said, I don't want to play this thing, but don't know if you can hear it. Okay, but if you press here, okay, that's that. And these are the AirPods, okay? So you'll have the audio coming through both of them at the same time. So your partner can have one, you can have one, and you guys can enjoy music from the same Samsung phone. Again, this is the Galaxy A54 smartphone. Not all Samsung phones has it. And that is that. So like and sub.